Yo, check it out. Listen, all my wavers stand up right now, all right? We are out here, all right? In this video right here, whoa, I did a clean taper. Woo, woo, woo. Not on myself, but on somebody else. But I'm just saying, though, this taper right here is looking mighty nice. Woo. Man. Hey, check this out though. It's one thing that I do gotta address, all right? Now, there's a lot of great barbers out here, right? I just don't feel like I'm one of them. What? What the? Let me explain something to y'all. I am a good barber, don't get me wrong. I know I got bars and everything, but there's a lot of great barbers out here, and it's not just me. So for anybody that's trying to, you know, make this assumption that I think I'm just the best out here, nah, that's not the case. All right, I'm a hard worker first. All right, I have talent, and I just push myself to that limit. My work ethics is unlike anybody else's, and I'm saying there's a lot of people out here with good work ethics, but when it comes to barbering, making videos, this is just something I have a passion for, so I love doing it. So if I come off cocky, if I come off like, I don't know, you know what I mean? I don't know what type of vibes I'm getting off that. You know, I hear from a couple people that they think that I'm just I don't even think for myself that I'm the best, you know what I mean? My work ethics is good, you know what I mean? My willing to keep learning is what gets me here, all right? So, like I said, this taper might not even be the best, you know what I mean? But what you guys are seeing is basically my best within 30 minutes. Y'all seeing work, all right? So for everybody out there that's supporting me, I appreciate it. For everybody out there that's hating, come on, man. I'm just out here doing what I love, okay? I'm out. Thanks to you guys for watching. This video about to be fire though. Nonetheless, forget what I said. Everything I said, this is about to be fire. Oh, man. Why you kick me like that, Jeezy? It ain't even that serious. It ain't had to be that serious. How do we... I'm out of breath. It ain't even that serious, man. Just start the video. It ain't never been that serious. Please. HustleDreamProduction. So with a straight hair client, what you want to do is comb the hair out first. You want to get that hair lifted off the scalp. That way it'll be easier for the hair to feed into the teeth, that way making it more of an even cut. But if you want to get a real even cut, it's always good to go against the grain, but typically a lot of wavers like to stay away from that, so it's best if you just go with the grain. So my client asked for a 3 on top, so I'm using my wall cordless seniors with the 3-guard open, and I'm just going with the grain of his pattern. The reason why I'm using this clipper is because I feel like it takes off bulk at a rapid rate. The other clippers like the Babyliss Gold FX, they don't take off large amount of bulk quickly, you know what I mean? So that's kind of the reason why I'm using these wall cordless seniors, because you know you could go through hair a lot quicker. So when I do take down the bulk, I like to go a guard size down and take off that large amount of bulk on the front line. This makes the lineup crispier. This makes the lineup last a little bit longer, so you won't get that full overhang that wavers tend to get. Setting in my first guideline, I'm going to start by using my Andis cordless T outliners, setting in my bald line in a rainbow-like shape. Putting on my one guard open using my Babyliss Gold FX, I'm going up about a ½ inch, making sure I keep that rainbow-like shape consistent all the way around. With the 2 guard open, I'm just clearing out some of that bulk at the top, making sure that I flick out, still trying to keep that rainbow-like shape, but this time I'm not really focusing too much on the shape. I'm more focusing on getting that bulk out. Now putting back on the 1 guard, cleaning up that area between the 1 and the 2 in a flick out motion so I get that smooth transition. Now using the lever open, creating that next guideline, not going up too much. I wanted to keep the taper as low as possible. That's the reason why I started with the number 1 guard. That's just how I keep it safe, you know, by not bringing the taper too high, especially because this is the first time that I actually cut this client, so I just wanted to make sure that I did what the client asked for. So with the 0 guard closed in a flick out motion, using the corners as much as possible, flick out that middle line. Make sure you start below the line and flick to the line. So sometimes you won't be able to get it out with the 0 guard closed. So all you gotta do is with the lever open, kind of just, you know, flick at some of that bulk area. Picture it almost as if you were using thinning shears. Now with the lever closed in a flick out motion, flick out that bottom line. Remember, use your corners as much as possible and start below the line and flick to the line. So right now, I'm actually going to be using my thinning shears to do some detail work. There's a lot of bulk and, well, not a lot of bulk, but there's some, you know, certain areas that I want to hit to thin it out, just to get rid of some of that hair, some of that wave that's right there, just making it look so bulky. So I'm going to use my thinning shears just to blend everything in. So when it comes to the back, I basically do the same step. The only thing that I don't do is round out the back. I don't start with the rainbow-like shape. I really don't like that look when it comes to wavers. I like the neck taper to be straight and just neatly blended up into the waves. You know what I mean? I don't like the round look with the extra neck line, you know, on the taper. I just do not like that look. So I always give my wavers something that I would get, and that's just a nice blend into the waves.
HustleDreamProduction.
So I'm lifting the hair back to show you guys the amount of overhang that my client has. You know what I mean? I'm not gonna push him back but the hair does overlap his natural line quite a bit. So I'm just gonna try to keep it as natural as possible, but still making it look crispy at the same time. This is the cut, and if you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Also, if you like the beat, HustleDreamProduction, my brother, he does all my beats. His YouTube channel will be linked in the description below. If you want to know where you can find any tools that you've seen in this video, make sure you check out the links in the description below as well. Otherwise, you guys can follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. My Snapchat is Jeezy360 and my Instagram is 360Jeezy. But it's your boy 360Jeezy, and I'm out of here.